functions. Before going to start this topic, later we have to see some introduction about this topic. We know some relations. Every relation is not a function. Let us see when we have to say a relation is a function. First of all, we have to see the definition of a function. Definition of a function. Suppose A and B are two non-empty sets. It has some elements. I am giving an example how to understand the definition of a function. Suppose A has some elements A, B, C, D. B has some elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, every element of, suppose there is a relation between the two sets A and B, say F. Let us see when we have to say this relation F is a function from A to B. Suppose A is related to 1, B is related to 4, C is related to 2, D is related to 3. Here see, here every element of set A uniquely associated with the elements of set B. Here the relation as like this. This is a relation. Suppose F is a relation between A and B. A and B are two non-empty sets. A has some elements A, B, C, D. B has some elements 1, 2, 3, 4. A is related with 1. B is related with 4. C is related with 2. D is related with 3. Here the relation as like this. Every element of set A uniquely means one time related with the elements of set B. These type of relations are called as functions. Can be denoting as like this. F is a function from A to B, or F is mapping from A to B. F maps A to B. This is read as F is a mapping from A to B. F is a function from A to B. Function from A to B. From A to B. Or F maps A to B. F maps A to B. F is a mapping from A to B. F is a mapping from A to B. Understand? We can read as like this. So, we can take so many examples. One more important thing is there. I will give so many examples for the function. Another example, example 2. This is example 1. The another example we can take as like this. Suppose A has some elements, B has A, B, C, 1, 2. A is associated with 1, B is associated with 2, C also associated with 2. Here, 2 or more elements of set A can associated with the same elements of set B, no problem. That relation is also called a function. Understand? So, one more example as like this. Example 3. Suppose I am taking an example like this. C, 1, 2, 3, 4. A related 1, B related 2, C related 4. Here every element of set A related with the uniquely associated with the elements of set B. Here one or more elements of set B, no need to related with the any element of set A, no problem, as we can take like this. Understand? Suppose this is also function, this is also function. Take one more example for the function as like this. This is 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Listen, 1A, 2A, 3A. We can take like this also. All the elements of set A can associated with the elements of set A uniquely with the same element also, no problem. Understand? So we can take so many examples for the definition of a function as like this. One more important thing. Suppose what is not function? We can take one example as like this. Suppose A, B are two sets. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C as like this. Okay. 3B. Okay, listen. Here, suppose one element of set A not associated with the element of set B. This is not a function. Suppose one more important another example as like this, which are not a function. 1, 2, 3. Okay, A, B, C, D. Here one is associated with A, one is associated with B, 2C, 3D. Listen, here the element of set A 1 has two associations with the element of set A associated with the elements of set B two times. According to our definition, take unit term. Then only we can say the function. This is not a function. Here, like this, so many examples are there. So, next, one more important thing here. Suppose f is a function from A to B. Let us see what is next. How do we take it? For example, this is takes the first example again. Suppose f is a function from A to B. Okay? Then the first set A is called domain. Okay? The second set B is called codomain. The second set A is called B is called codomain. Next here, according to this example, okay, F, an element A associated with the element of B with 1, this can be taken as F association with B as like this. The element A related, the F relation of A is 1. Means this is can be written as like this. This is also considered the image of element A is 1. The F, this means F image of, this means F image of A is 1. As like it, F image of B is 4. F image of C is 2. F image of D is 3. These are the elements 1, 4, 2, 3 are images of A, B, C, D respectively. Then the next is we have to take a set of images. Set of images of set A can be taken as like this 1, 4, 2, 3, or otherwise it can be set of images of elements of set A. This is called the range of F. Range of a function. Range means which is the set of images of elements of first set A, domain. Listen, this is range. One more important thing, need not be equal, range and codomain. For example, here, take one another example as like this. Let us see what is range. Listen, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, 1A, 2B, 3B, okay, 4B. Listen, here, what is the image of one? A. Image of B, 2B. Image of 3, B. Image of 4, B. Is it a function? Obviously function. Because in every element of set A, uniquely associated with the elements of set B. So function. Let us see what is range. Range is the set of images A, B, B, B. Here that is called AB. This is need not be equal to the codomain. Understand? Need not be equal to the codomain. Understand? Need not be equal to the codomain. Range is different from codomain. Understand? Okay? Now let us see what is what is other definition? What are types of functions? What are types of